everyone, today I'm going to give you an update on my 2002 Jaguar XJR. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, today I'm really happy because my 2002 Jaguar XJR passed the Virginia State Inspection. If you live in Virginia or you are planning to move to Virginia, you know, right, that your cars have to go through the state inspection, safety inspection, and state emission inspection. And my 2002 Jaguar XJR passed both the state safety and emission inspections. That's right. So there are two different kind of inspection. You're probably wondering what's the difference. The safety inspection, it's certified that the car is safe to drive, and you have to do it every year. So they make sure your brake pads are good, you know, there's no wear and tear. Last year it didn't pass the state safety inspection because if you watch my previous video, the frame cracked and I had to replace it right before I was able to pass the safety inspection because it wasn't safe for me to drive around with the cracked frame, right? So anyway, that was fixed. But anyway, this year I haven't driven it much, and the car always, you know, parked in the garage. So even my mechanic said, "Hey EJ, your car is in a great shape," and I checked the mileage from the last inspection to today's inspection, and you don't drive it very much. So the thing is, if you pass the safety inspection, you're gonna get this nice sticker, you know, like today is what, July 1st 2021. So the next inspection will be July 2022. So yeah, you can't drive a car without the safety inspection sticker. I mean, you can, but then you can get what, fine from the cop if they see that you're driving around without the valid Virginia safety inspection sticker. But anyway, okay, what about the Virginia emission inspection? The thing is, for the license plate, without the Virginia emission inspection, you cannot renew it. You only do it either annually or every 2 years. I choose to do it every 2 years to renew my Virginia state emission inspection. So the next one will be in 2023, so which is good. Yeah, it's not that bad. It was pretty cheap. It was like $27, and then the state safety inspection was only $20. So did the car pass the Virginia safety inspection today? The answer is yes. I'm really excited. Everything is right here, and I'm really happy. Look at that. The brake, the thing is, they will check the brake, the headlights, signal lights, you know, other lights, and steering wheel, suspension, exhaust system, fuel system, tires. They always check the tires. Make sure you don't drive to Virginia safety inspection with bald tires. They will flunk you right away. And then they will check your hood latch. So yeah, they will just check your engine like that, and they open it up to make sure things are not, you know, flapping around, and it locks properly. So, and then they check the windshield, and there is no crack. My windshield is in really great condition. And then windshield wipers, and they'll check the rubber whether it's good or not. Also, they check all the glass around the car to make sure there is no crack, you know, glasses or crack windows. Also, they check the doors, the seats, the seat belt, floor pan, defroster, and horn. That's right. So yeah, it's pretty you know, it's pretty detailed when they do Virginia safety inspection. So yeah, I'm really happy today that my Jaguar XJR passed the Virginia safety inspection. And another thing I want to share with you, I restore the seats. If you watch my BMW leather restoration, I show you that the seats of the Jaguar, the driver seats of this car at 18 years old tend to wear out, but I was able to restore it. So I'll be back. I'll show it to you what I did to restore it. I'll be back. Check that out, guys. The seats is in immaculate condition. I mean, the leather, you know, it looks like that because it's an 18-year-old car, but there's no wear and tear. Everything looks really nice. The back seat, and I mean, the sunroof is not working, but the car itself is in immaculate condition. It's super clean, and look at that. I was able to restore this. I bought a leather restoration kit, and I restore it. So yeah, I'm really excited and really happy with this car now. I drive it a lot, and yeah, I'm really happy. Hi everyone, there you have the latest update of my 2002 Jaguar XJR. Again, for the third time, it passed the Virginia State Emission Inspection and State Safety Inspection. I bought this car in 2018, and I'm really happy because I've been building it up. If you watch my video, I change the brakes, I change the oil regularly, I maintain this car myself, so I know exactly what's going on with the car. And I even changed the spark plugs to a brand and the coil pack. So yeah, this car is in great shape. So it's really rare. You can really find this car on Auto Trader or cars.com that many, you know. Once in a while you see it, but the one that is in this condition it's really hard to find these days. So this is gonna be like, I think it's gonna be like very expensive collector car someday. So I'm kind of keeping it. I'm tempted of auctioning it, but I don't know. This car makes me really happy right now. Every time I look at it, it makes me happy. I mean, the red color, the quality of the car, the quality of the ride is just intoxicating. I mean, Jaguar really knows how to make a luxury car. I mean, back then, like this one, I think this is like the top of the line one. Anyway, love you guys. Again, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Love you all. Bye.